autolyzed yeast extract, disodium phosphate, disodium guanylate, disodium inosinate, calcium disodium EDTA. Is that stuff even edible? Garlic, egg yolks, lemon juice, oil, Worcestershire sauce. I think I want to eat that. That is my ingredients list for what I'm making today. Caesar dressing. And we'll make a Caesar salad too. Okay, let's get started with this dressing. And again, mine's so much simpler. We're going to start off with 2 egg yolks. Oh no, it broke. I've got a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I would say that's, well, let's measure it. 1 tablespoon. So I said that wrong. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I've got a little over 1/3 of a cup of just a neutral flavored oil. Garlic. Now, the garlic has to be small, pretty much smashed. I'm going to show you a technique. Fairly easy to do. Okay, I've got it smashed up. I'm going to give it a quick chop. And I'm going to move it over to the edge of the board. And then I'm going to do a technique. It's called walking the dog. Okay? I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, this technique is fairly simple. And I'm going to exaggerate the motion. So essentially, I'm going to keep pressure on the blade of the knife. I'm going to lift it up and down. And I'm going to kind of smash the ingredients. And I'm going to go in kind of a circular motion. So, like this. And then you can get faster. And essentially, you just want to smash up that garlic. And once you get faster, you can go faster. And now, look at where my fingers are. My fingers are over here on the spine, out of the way. Give it another quick little chop. There you go. So, this and the oil, that's all we need for our Caesar dressing. Well, salt and pepper too. Not so much salt because there's a lot of salt in that Worcestershire sauce. We'll get this started. Slowly drizzle in. If this looks like I'm making mayonnaise, guess what? I am. Okay. That's the traditional dressing. Sometimes you can add Dijon mustard in there also. Let's talk about popular. What's popular to go into a Caesar dressing also? I've got a 1/4 cup of parmesan. Stir that in. Now for the controversial anchovies. Now, if you don't like anchovies, you can save them for garnish on the salad. I like anchovies, so I'm going to chop them up, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the garlic. That little walking the dog technique, because I really want to smash this up. You can use anchovy paste if you can find it. There we go, our dressing is done. An integral part of any Caesar salad, of course, is the croutons. Now you can buy those, but do you really want me to get the ingredients list out and read that to you? Okay, here's my ingredients list. Cubed bread, salt, pepper, for a little bit more of a kick. Now you can add in herbs or garlic powder, onion powder, stuff like that. That's fine if you must. I've got ancho powder. And of course, to bind it all together or to toast it off, I've got a little bit of garlic oil. We'll toss that up, get it nice and coated. Next, in a pan, in an oven, for about 5 to 10 minutes, until it gets nice and crisp. Watch it. Okay, our croutons are done. Nice and crisp. They're going to crisp up even more once they cool, which they have to do. Now let's deal with the lettuce. Okay, let's deal with the lettuce. First of all, we need to cut it up. A lot of recipes and a lot of snooty people, we'll call them, they're going to tell you need to tear these leaves gently. I'm sorry, when you got 3 cases of romaine lettuce to chop up in the next 10 minutes, you're going to break out the knife. I'm just going to throw it right here in my salad spinner. So what I do is I come along the top, start almost to the end, and cut through, turn it over, do the same thing, all the way over. And you're going to want to kind of gently pinch these together, and boom, and just cut through it. Now a lot of people don't really care for the crispies. I love them. So I go all the way down, so I can get some of these crispies. Wash them, spin them, and then we're ready to make our salad. Okay, our lettuce is clean, spun, chopped up. Let's build the salad. Got the lettuce here, and our dressing, nice and creamy. Now, gonna get a little on my soapbox here. Oh yeah, the best tool for this, gloved hand. A lot of people get their dressing on the side. They think they're cutting calories and stuff like that, but they usually get a 2-ounce portion of the dressing, use all the dressing, and then they think they're cutting calories. No. This is enough for 2 salads. I use 2 tablespoons of dressing. That's all I need. Now, other people I see, and I see this at a lot of restaurants, they will throw the croutons in to the salad as they mix it up and get the dressing on it. I'm not a big fan of that because, well, then your croutons lose their crispness. We'll garnish. So we've got our croutons there. Let's throw some shaved parm on there. That's always nice. And we might as well. I do like the anchovies. And last but not least, black pepper. A few nice grinds. Hey, here we go. Caesar salad. Very simple, very quick and easy to make. Without a lot of preservatives and stuff like that. Hey, if you like this, check out down below in the description. And while you're down there, like, subscribe. I got the ingredients list down there in the description. And also, I put links to some of the equipment I use. So if you're interested in what that equipment is, feel free to check it out. Oh, while you're checking things out, I got videos over here. I'll see you next time. Yum.